welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are learning about the VirtualBox and how to install VirtualBox in our computer. So go on Google Chrome and type VirtualBox. Click on the first link is provided from Oracle. Download it in your computer. After downloading the VirtualBox, this type of icon will be loaded and open that. Open the VirtualBox. Click on New. Give the name as Kali. Select the type as Linux. Select the version as Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on Next. Give the RAM to the system about 2 GB and processor about 6 CPUs. Click on Next. Now give the virtual hard disk to the operating system. Give up to 25 GB. Now click on Next. Now click on Finish. Here we go. Our Kali setup is completed now. Double tap to open the Kali system. Now there is showing because of the ISO file. We not selected any ISO file, so we have downloaded it from Kali Linux website. So go on kali.org website and download the Kali Linux installer. Click on install. It is about 3.5 GB. So I had downloaded it already, so I am not downloading it now. This is the ISO file. Now open the virtual machine and select that ISO file. Click on Others and select the Kali Linux ISO file that we had downloaded now. Click on Mount and retry. Boot. Here we go. Our Kali Linux is running now. Click on Graphical Install. Continue. Give the host name as Kali. enter the password. Here we go. Our installation is started now. Click on continue. Give the entire disk, use entire disk. Click on continue. Continue. Okay, now finish the setup. Continue. Click on yes. Continue. The installation process is started now. It will take some time. Here we go. Don't change anything. Keep the setting as it provided default. Click on continue. Click on yes. Select the second option. Okay. Here we go. Our Kali is running now. Enter. Enter your username and password. Here we go. Our Kali is running on our PC, working fine. For the full screen mode, we have to click on view and select the full screen mode. And from exit, and to exit from full screen mode, we have to press Ctrl F. So here we go. Our Kali is running fine. Now check the terminal. Okay, terminal is also fine. Now you can use the Kali Linux operating system in your PC by the virtual. Thank you.